Hey there, I'm reviewing the SUNUV SUN3 Professional UV Light for Gel Nails. This nail lamp delivers a salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. With 48 West LED power, it cures gel polish quickly and efficiently. The lamp features a built-in 4-timer and sensor that make it simple to use while providing consistent performance. With 39 LED beads, the curing process is evenly distributed for a flawless finish. The design is modern and sleek, making it an excellent addition to any nail station. Whether you are a professional nail technician or enjoy doing your nails at home, this UV dryer offers outstanding performance and ease of use. It makes an excellent gift for a woman, mom, or girl who loves nail art. I highly recommend this product for its durability, efficiency, and user-friendly design.